Hi, third graders. Welcome to this chilly morning. Well, I'm filming this on a Tuesday and it's cold. So go ahead and take out your language books to page 125. Page 125. Thank you very much. I'll write it out here so you can see it. Let's continue using purple. This is a nice purple. Page 125. We're going to learn more about how to use time order words like we did yesterday. Yesterday we were a little more creative. Today we are guided, right? They're going to give us some stories and we just have to put them in order, which as you can see looks very easy. So we're just going to do like the first two. Time order words. Help the reader know when things happened. So here are some time order words that you can use. We've got first, second, third, then, next, last, finally. And like I said yesterday, most of the time order words we usually use are first, then, and then finally. Sometimes we use next, right? And I don't know if you've seen a lot of YouTube tutorials, but if you listen very closely to those YouTubers, if they do YouTube tutorials, they usually use all these words. Yeah. Alrighty, so just think. Number the sentences in the order they happened. Choose and write good time order words before each sentence. It's kind of funny because I want you to notice that with these time order words, they have commas because you're supposed to pause. So if I say first, fold your sheet, I don't know, right? Second, draw a triangle, I don't know. But here they already provide the commas, so I kind of wish they didn't. I kind of wish they did not include the commas so that we can put on our own. But it's all right. So the first thing we're going to do, see I use first, so we have to read the sentences because I want to know what I'm dealing with. I want to know the story, even though they may not be in order. Actually, they are. I still want to read it. We visited the big cat exhibit to see the lions. Dad paid for our tickets into the zoo. My brother Mark fell asleep on the way home. So this pretty much sounds like they're already in order. So it's like 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to, I use a time order word. I'm going to put in time order words. So first, I'm not going to put finally, right? Finally, we visited the big cat exhibit to see the lions. Oh, actually, I think I did this wrong. This should be first. Dad paid for the tickets, then we went to see the lions, and then my brother fell asleep on the way home. That makes more sense. So first, Dad paid for our tickets into the zoo. Then we visited, and I'm sure they visited other exhibits at the zoo. Finally, or last, I can say lastly. I know that's not a word that's here, but it's a word that is commonly used in other forms of writing. So lastly, my brother Mark fell asleep on the way home. Okay. So if you need to pause the video here, you can do that. Next one. Let's use another color. Let's use green maybe? Yeah, green. So I'm going to read them again. See? Just 3 sentences. I passed my test into the teacher. We took our arithmetic test. I took out a sharp pencil. Well, what's the first thing you're going to do before you do a big test? You're going to make sure you're prepared with your supplies. So you've got paper, pencil, an eraser. That's it. So I took out a sharp pencil. That's first. So first, I took out a sharp pencil. Then we took our arithmetic test. Finally, I can do that. Finally, I passed my test into the teacher. Awesome. Okay. You get to try this last one on your own. Now, before I let you do this on your own, I'm going to read all of them with you. And you can read them to yourself. You can read them out loud. Again, we're reading them just to feel out the story, just to know what we're dealing with here. The first one says, I asked Mom if we could bake brownies. Mom poured the batter into the pan. The brownies baked for 30 minutes. We put all of the ingredients into the bowl. We enjoyed the warm brownies with tall glasses of cold milk. Ooh, that sounds good. Warm brownies. I mixed all of the ingredients together in the bowl. So it's up to you. Put them in order. Okay. 1 through 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's 6 events in this story. Then you can use the time order words here, right? Cool, I can't wait to see what you've come up with. So that's your lesson for today for language. I know, pretty short for this Wednesday. But we're still going to review for a lot of things, especially since we have a language test, math test, history test, science test, spelling test, all on Friday, all before our 3-day weekend, which I know you'll ask me, what, 3 days off? I'll talk about that more at our meeting. Thank you very much, third graders. Please be sure to watch the math video. I'll see you later.